How to make money on YouTube in 2021. YouTube is a popular video sharing platform where 5 billion videos are watched every day. In this digital era, if you're struggling to make money off the internet, you can give YouTube a try. And if in case you're interested to make money from YouTube, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. Today, we're going to discuss the step-by-step blueprint of making money on YouTube in 2021. How to make money on YouTube. Following are some methods that you can use to make money from YouTube in 2021. Earn from Ads, YouTube Partner Program. For most of the YouTubers, the main source of revenue is ads. Being enrolled in the YouTube Partner Program, you can make money through your videos with the help of banner ads through Google AdSense, channel memberships, and much more. However, to officially enroll in the YouTube Partner Program, you have to follow some rules and regulations. Other than that, there are some requirements that need to be filled. What you need is a minimum of 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel in the past 12 months, and other than that, you must have 1,000 subscribers. After achieving this milestone, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning from ads. In your video manager, you'll see a green $sign displayed next to your videos. This indicates that your video is eligible for monetization. In YouTube Premium, YouTube removes ads from videos, but it still pays creators based on the percentage of total watch time. Affiliate marketing. YouTube ads is a good way to earn, but there are a bunch of other methods such as affiliate marketing through YouTube is even better. If you have already built an amazing fan following on YouTube, then affiliate marketing can be a good way to boost your earnings through this platform. Large amount of companies and agencies pay YouTube channels with strong fan following to promote their products. This is why affiliate marketing is a great way to boost your earning potential on this platform. Hence, affiliate marketing is the simplest way to boost your earning potential on the YouTube platform. Besides having a large channel, you can also create product-related videos and do affiliate marketing via Amazon. Work with sponsorships. Another amazing method to make money from YouTube is to work with sponsorships. This method can give a great boost to your YouTube earnings. Once your viewership and audience grows, you'll be approached by brands in order to create a video on their behalf and place their products. The pay rate may vary with every brand you work with. Some of them will pay you extremely good as well, but their only requirement for you is to produce quality videos in order to help them achieve their business milestone. If your goal is to make money through sponsorships, then make sure to start a channel with a niche that targets more sponsors. Such niches include makeup, beauty, etc. Use your channel and portray your skills on it, and you'll get contacted by a lot of brands out there. Sell your merch to subscribers. Another simplest way to make money through YouTube is to sell your merchandise, such as t-shirts, hoodies, keychains, or anything to your followers. In fact, YouTube has separately built a merchandise shelf to fulfill this purpose. But to use this method of earning, you must have a large fan following in order to secure more and more sales through your merchandise. This is not the demotivation for small YouTubers. You can start small, and with the passage of time, you can level up your followers to make a regular earning from your merchandise. You can take the example of PewDiePie with over 105 million subscribers, whose recent merchandise was sold in minutes since its launch. Launch an online course. Have you ever thought about selling your online courses? The market size of e-learning is getting huge with each passing day, and as per the experts, by 2026, it will be $375. Selling online courses is a great opportunity to make money if you want to scale your YouTube income other than just relying on ads. Online courses can be a good passive income stream you have to master in a specific skill, and then you can offer your knowledge to others. The best thing about creating online courses is that you don't need any sort of teaching experience. All you need is to create high-quality content that is good enough to educate people. If you're a YouTuber and you're already posting educational stuff, then you're already doing this. What you have to do is to reshape your YouTube videos and add up more valuable content and then create your first course. You can use different platforms that can help you to build your own online school and provide the best ever experience to your students. Such course platforms include LearnWorlds. Sell memberships. Selling memberships is another effective thing you can do to make money through your YouTube channel. As a YouTube partner, you can sell memberships to your subscribers, but your age must be above 18 and you should have more than 30,000 subscribers. A channel membership works when your viewers pay you a monthly fee ranging from 99 cents to $100 in order to get access to member-only perks. By purchasing, they can use special emojis, badges, extra videos, shoutouts, and other features such as Super Chat. Crowdfunding. Other than selling your merch to your subscribers, you can also add crowdfunding cards in your YouTube videos. The links and cards you add will be approved from crowdfunding sites such as Indiegogo and Kickstarter so that you can easily spread awareness related to your campaigns. If you are creating a new product such as women's shoes, then you're running a campaign on crowdfunding websites to fund the projects. There's a good chance for you to use your videos as a free medium to promote all of the features of your particular product. If you upload your video to YouTube, you can directly get crowdfunding support through your YouTube content. Influencer marketing. If, in case, you have a strong social media following, you can use influencer marketing to upload sponsored videos on YouTube and earn money from them. This process is quite different as compared to the other YouTube monetization techniques that we've checked until now. For this purpose, you don't need to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program in order to earn from sponsored videos. Other than that, no particular amount of subscribers or watch time is required to earn money by this method. However, if you look upon the YouTube's guidelines for paid product placements, then it will be better for you. That was all about the best and simplest ways to earn through YouTube. I hope that you'll enjoy the video. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and let me know about your reviews in the comment section.